In our previous video, we created Supabase PaaS and BYOC distribution channels. In this video, we'll walk through what the customer experience looks like for each. You define the customer-facing login experience, fully branded with your product and identity providers such as Google, GitHub, or even Enterprise SSO. Your customers can deploy your product through the distribution channels you've enabled. You can offer multiple subscription tiers. In this example, the free tier is multi-tenant. The dedicated tier provides isolated deployments. The custom network tier lets customers attach their own networks to their deployments. And the enterprise tier is for BYOC, running fully isolated deployments in the customer's own cloud account for maximum control and compliance. Each tier can be customized. You can choose to keep it simple with no customer inputs, or let customers select their preferred cloud providers and regions, define network isolation, or specify infrastructure requirements. You can also expose application-specific parameters such as credentials and runtime settings, giving customers full control over their deployment. Let's launch an instance in AWS with default parameters. Our Supabase instance is being deployed, and it's now active. Let's check its details. Customers can view complete deployment information, parameters, and status. In the Connectivity tab, the deployment endpoints are listed. Let's try accessing the Supabase cluster. Looks like the Supabase application is running perfectly. Your customers can monitor real-time health for both the cluster and individual nodes, view live logs and metrics to troubleshoot issues, and track overall performance. They can also configure custom DNS. Let's set up a custom domain for this deployment. I will use my Supabase as the custom domain. The system provides step-by-step DNS configuration instructions. Let's apply those quickly. Great! The DNS setup is complete, and I can now access this deployment using the custom domain. Customers can manage the deployments through lifecycle actions, such as start, stop, modify, and reboot. Backup and restore, including point-in-time recovery, is also available. And if you have chosen BYOC, customers can also securely access Kubernetes dashboard. This allows advanced users to securely access pods and resources. And you can enforce licensing for on-prem and BYOC deployments. For BYOC deployments, customers first need to onboard their own cloud account. Let's try onboarding an Azure cloud account. We will start by selecting the Supabase Enterprise subscription, for which we'll be connecting this Azure account. After choosing Azure, the system prompts us to provide the Azure subscription ID and tenant ID. Let's enter those details. Next, the system generates a command that needs to be executed in the Azure Cloud Shell. Let's open the Azure Shell and run the command. This script automatically sets up the necessary resources and permissions on the customer's cloud account, so it can be used for Supabase BYOC deployment. Once the script completes successfully, let's return to the Cloud Accounts list and refresh to confirm the account is configured correctly. Perfect! The Azure account now shows as ready. To verify that it is available for deployments, let's go back to the instance list and create a new instance. We'll select the Supabase service with the Enterprise BYOC subscription, and we can see the onboard Azure account available and ready to deploy the Supabase service. Your customers can manage access within their organization by inviting team members and assigning predefined roles, such as editor or reader, with scoped permissions. You can provide full audit logging and real-time alerting out of the box. Every customer operation is tracked, and alerts help them stay ahead of operational issues. Your customers get visibility into usage and costs through Cost Explorer, making it easy to track consumption. Your customers can view and pay their invoices. Stripe is the default billing provider, but you can also integrate with cloud marketplaces or bring your own provider. With Omnistrate, you deliver a powerful, flexible, enterprise-grade experience through your customers' preferred distribution channels in days, not years. If you have already started, you can simply extend your existing stack without replacing anything to add new distribution channels or extend your existing distribution channel. For the full list of features or to know more about other distribution channels, please check omnistrate.cloud.